I've learned that people will forget what you said, people will forget what you did, but people will never forget how you made them feel. A quote by Maya Angelou. Was a lizard. There was a lizard. I thought the lizard was coming towards me. Hello family. Hello family. I hope you're all doing well. Today is Friday, the 18th of December, and it's Vlogmas day 18. It's really beautiful. I'm just going to go out, and because you always hear this noise in the background, this humming noise. It's like a motorbike about to take off. They're building boats, so I'm going to go down there and have a look at what is going on. Today, what I did was I've actually just been sleeping. When I woke up around about, I think I was woken up around 7 o'clock by the noise of the boat builders. And then I just went back to sleep, woke up again around about 9 o'clock, and then slept. And when I woke up, it was like I was so tired from the editing of that video that I posted yesterday, day 16. It took me a long time, you know, to edit. Not just that, I had a visit, we stayed up late, you know, and I really wanted to get it out of the way and also start on video 17, which is not a very long one. It was just a short one I did yesterday. But then, yeah, and yeah, so I was working on video 16. 16? Yes, I was working on video 16 of when we went to Dodoa and to see the Chenku waterfalls. I can't even describe it. You know, sometimes camera doesn't capture everything. It's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. I kept saying it. It's just amazing. And the sad bit is that people are actually buying and trying to develop it and whatever. And that is really sad, you know, because it's so beautiful that Ghana should really leave some of the forest intact. I don't know why in Africa we don't like trees. You know, you go looking for land, you see that it's just a bare land, but it's a land that has been standing there for years. Surely there must have been some trees on it, but no, the trees are cut down. You know, when in other countries people actually respect the environment, they conserve trees, there's tree conservation everywhere, you know. But then Africa is where people just cut trees. The people who preserve their own trees, you know, they come and cut our own trees and take them to their countries, because our trees, some of them dates back from, you know, centuries, you know, but they're just cut like that. You see uprooted trees, big trees that have been there for years, and it's so sad. But the forest is beautiful. The forest is really beautiful. If you have the time, go explore. You know, life is all about exploring new places, exploring areas that you are not familiar with, you know. So it's really beautiful. And when you reach the waterfalls, it's just amazing. It was just amazing. And that's the reason why the video is long. I was like, this video is so long, people are going to be bored. When I told my husband said, you know, he's always encouraging me. You know, he bought me my laptop. When I say, listen, this is what I want to do, he bought me the laptop. He's always been very encouraging. So, and he said, listen, people will find it interesting, they will watch it and want to watch even more, you know, so just post it as it is. Yeah, that was because I was trying to trim here, cut here, but when I looked at it, I said, wow, everything is beautiful. What am I cutting off? That was very encouraging of him, and it made me just leave a big section of it. Yes, obviously I recorded more, but what I left, I would have chopped it even more to make it really short or fast forward in places. But I'm glad I left it, and you could see the clarity, the green leaves, everything is so beautiful. Yes, so that was the forest of Dodoa and the Chenku waterfalls. It's a bit hidden, you know, the signs are not very obvious. And we stopped, we did stop. Hello, how are you? Harry wasn't very sure about where we had to turn. So we stopped over somewhere, and then there was a group of people. We're not really far from the place. We said, oh, do you know of the Chenku waterfalls? No. Do you know of any waterfalls around here? No. So, like, people are actually living around there, and they don't know that this place exists. Like Harry said, that was a hidden treasure. It is really a hidden treasure. So when you have time, when you have the opportunity, you come down to Accra, go to Dodowa. The road runs parallel to Ebri, to the road that leads to Ebri. So that's why you have all these mountains in the background. It's really only. Anyway, let me stop talking. I'm going to check out this place. Hello. Hello. They're building them from this bottom, and they build them up. Oh. So they go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's very nice. So how many days is it going to take to finish this one? 3 days. Hello. Yes. Yes, it was you, innit? With, and there was another guy. Where is he? Is it Nat? Nat. You are Nat. Okay, okay. So how are you? Today you're not working. You're just supervising. You finished. That one? The white one down there? Yeah. You finished doing that one? I'm going to have a look at it. Look at both fruits. Both fruits. This one. Oh! This one is just arriving, or this is the one you're going to build next? And answer the question. So what's your own name? The other one is Nat. What's your own name? John. So what do they want to do with it? Oh, like this. So this boat is going to go. They will take it somewhere else. I get fish. Yeah, I get fish. This is a new boat that is really big. When I need fish, I will send for she to come and get it. That's what I do. Yeah. Because now I have plenty fish.
50 fish.